Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Globally, equities are finding difficulties to sustain at higher levels, and it is mainly because of the 10-year bond yield, which is consistently moving upward. Now it is at 4.22, and dollar index is also at 104.5. This is something which is certainly going to increase downward pressure on emerging markets. On Wednesday, US market closed at the lowest point of the day. However, after hours, Tesla reported numbers little bit better than expectations, and that's the reason we are seeing some bullishness in the Asian markets, and also US stock futures are trading higher. GIFT Nifty is also indicating 50-60 points higher opening for our markets. However, FIs are consistently selling and they sold nearly 5,600 on Wednesday. Domestic institutions are consistently infusing the money, and wherever the results are little bit better than expectations, we are seeing substantial buying impact in those stocks. Also, on the contrary, whenever there is like a little bit disappointment, we are seeing equal amount of punishment for that particular stock, and that's the reason we are seeing good amount of volatility as well as mixed reaction in the market. Now, if we go through with the levels, then 24,350 is something going to act as major support for the day. Below that, we can expect furthermore weakness up to maybe 24,200, 24,100 sort of levels. But on the higher side, 24,600, 700 will be major resistance zone. So between these levels, need to reduce long positions. And in case if we see furthermore decline, then close to 24,250 or 200 levels, we need to see that whether the market stops and reverse or not. Based on that only we can look for taking some position. Otherwise it is better to stay away. Bank Nifty was also trading lower during the day, and it closed at the lowest point of the day. So there also we are not expecting any major firework. Other indices in that commodities or even IT, they are like finding difficulties to sustain at higher levels. No doubt that we saw good amount of buying interest in mid-cap IT companies, but broadly we are of the view that we need to be careful till the markets are not reaches to important levels. At these levels, the strategy should be to look for reducing position at each resistance level. And for buying, if there is a medium to long term view, then only we should look for taking interest in large cap companies like HDFC Bank, Infosys and Reliance. That's all from my side for the day. With this, I am ending today's call. Thank you very much for listening me. Have a great day to all of you.